chains begin their rhythm. Mud and gravel clear the way. Hands are rough and faces weathered. Every hour earned in sweat. Through the cold and through the rainfall, there's another load to get. Feel the pull, feel the strain, keep it moving through the rain. Hear the iron, hear it bite. We don't stop until it's right. We are the men of the dredge, where the river meets the steel. Hear the chains and hear the engines. Feel the power, feel it real. We are the men of the dredge, working hard from dawn till night, moving mountains underwater, till the river runs just right. Bucket after bucket rising from the darkness down below. Iron teeth beneath the surface, digging where the waters flow. No clean shirts and no easy living. Oil and dust upon your skin. When the whole machine starts shaking, that's the moment work begins. Feel the pull, feel the strain, keep it moving through the rain. Hear the iron, hear it bite. We don't stop until it's right. We are the men of the dredge, where the river meets the steel. Hear the chains and hear the engines. Feel the power, feel it real. We are the men of the dredge, working hard from dawn till night, moving mountains underwater, till the river runs just right. Hey, hear that engine, hey, hear that chain. Steel keeps turning through the rain. Hey, keep it moving, hey, hold the line. Another bucket right on time. Steel and water, hey, mud and stone, hey, out there working all alone. Heavy hands and tired eyes, smoke and thunder fill the skies. One more load, one more day. Hands up high, make it pay. One more load, one more day. Hold that line, don't let go. Years went by upon that water, young men slowly turning gray. Every scar became a story, every shift another day. Machines have changed and times are different, but the river still remembers when those mighty dredges ruled